Hey guys, it is 1 week to the day since Maribel was born. I came out here to feed the animals and stay away. We have another baby. No, Colonel. We have another baby. Can you guess who it is? Look at there. It was April. April had a baby. You just dropped it and it's red. Oh my gosh, you just had her. Get away. Get away. Yes. Oh my gosh. Colonel, come here. Colonel. I gotta. Oh my God. Colonel, no. Oakley, no. Go, stay back. Sit. Sit. Oh my gosh, look. April. Let me call Denise. I gotta call Denise. We have a baby! Look, another red one. Oh, April. Oakley, sit. Sit. Look, Oakley. Hey, Mama. Hey. 1 week to the day. 1 week to the day. I knew it set a chain reaction. Go on, Oakley. Oakley, sit. Sit. Hey. I wonder what it is. And this is your spot for having them. Where is your afterbirth at? Have you given it? You haven't delivered it yet. You just dropped that baby. You did. You just dropped that baby. What is it? What is it, Mama? Back up, Oakley, no. Hey, Mama. I'll come this side. Go, Oakley, go. I know, Mama. I know. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. You hungry? I see you. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Hey. Hey, baby. What are you? What are you? Hey, Mama. I see you. I know. Oakley, go on. I can't tell. I think it's another girl. It's still wet. Hey, Mama, it's okay. It's nursing. It's okay, Mama. Another red baby. Y'all gonna drop all red this time, aren't you? All red, aren't you, baby? Oh my goodness. I know. I know, baby. I know. You hungry? You hungry? You hungry? Trying to see. I gotta go feed the animals. Are you okay? It might be a boy. I can't tell. Murphy? Hey, doll. Hey, doll. Look at that. You did so good. Y'all dropped it at the same time. Go on now. I'll go get you some food, baby, and come right back. Hey, little fella. I gotta see where you are. Huh? I think. Hey, little fella. What are you, huh? Looks like a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. She had a boy. Yep. Oh, sweet, sweet. She delivered afterbirth since I went and got him some food. Come here, Colonel. Get on the golf cart. I'm sorry about yelling at these dogs. They are just a pain in my side. Because these cows, look at her sack. So it's a boy, which means he'll get named a food name. So, yep. So, cow number 2 is a boy. Look at that sweet thing. I mean, it's still wet. There's Mary Bell. Look at her. For those of you who didn't catch the end of the video the other day, we decided to name her Mary Bell. There's her mama right there. And now, see, that's like they're cousins, technically. These are cousins in the... Colonel? 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 So, now we know for sure that one right there, she will be next. Hey, Dodd, don't you get on my food. No. You're not gonna knock it off again today. I'm not gonna let that happen. Boys, let's go feed the boys. Come on. Oh, Murphy. No, come on, leave the cows alone, girls. We'll check on you in a little bit.